everyone, welcome back. Guess what I got in mail today? Love with food. I love this box. And also, if you don't know, Love with Food is this monthly subscription box. You can get like every month, and they have different boxes. This one I got in special. It was like $2 for the shipping, but normally it runs like cheapest and the 10 and up. And they also have a gluten-free box. So, and like I promised, I didn't open it until I started taping, which is literally today and now. So anyway, a little less stress going on there, that's for sure. Wow, a little. But anyway, I got the tasting box. So normally that's about $10, but also every box you get helps feed a child in need. One meal, one box, one meal. They work with Feeding America and other food pantries in your community or around. And anyway, see, one box, one meal. They are so nice. And this month, ooh, this looks good. Okay, and then this month's tasting box is Live, Laugh, Restore. So let's see. And I got a list of everything, so here we go. Let's see here. Dark chocolate cocoa nibs. Ooh. Wait. Is that it? Yeah. Look at that. That is so good. Straight from the Costa Rican rainforest, pop a few at a time, and these bittersweet little babies will get you fired up for a fresh start. Ingredients: dark chocolate, 50%. Basically, it's yeah, pretty good. And I will try these, but just kind of bear with me. Next is Luna Bar. I can't really remember if I've ever tried one. If I did, I'd let you know. But this is chocolate dipped, chocolate dipped coconut. Let's see here. This is gluten-free. Looking for a little bar to get you through your big workout. Packed with all the right stuff to keep you going. You'll go cocoa nuts for this one. So, and Luna, you can get pretty much anywhere. But anyway, ooh, this one. Oh no, that's not it. This is it. Oh, oh yes, oh yes. I love fruit, obviously. So anyway, this is energy. This is called Big Slice Kettle Cooked Apples. Energy Kettle Cooked Apples by Big Slice. Simply delectable way to get your 5 a day. Eat the pouch on your way to yoga and say bye-bye to those extra holiday pounds. Yum! See here, this is non-GMO and gluten-free. So there's that. And okay. Somersault. Where are you? Oh, are you it? Ooh. Away from that, like these. These are somersaults. Somersaults by Somersault Snack Company. If seeds and grains are your new thing, you'll go head over heels for these tasty morsels. Again, these are non-GMO. They look pretty good. And then, let's see, black tea. Let's see here. Breakfast in Paris Tea Black Tea by Stash. Ideal for those sleepy Sunday mornings. Stretch yourself a warm cup with notes of lavender and bergamot and I don't even know if I said that right. Melt into your comfy couch. Gluten-free and vegan. I like the packaging though. And then this is Casva. I'm saying the name wrong, I'm sorry. Casva Pots by Wailana.
Get a drain snake there. Oh, I'm sorry.
Man.
I'm coming in to get a pair of pants.
Well, get a pair of pants. Sorry. Goofiness. Anyway, how was I? Wailana? I'm sorry, I butchered these names. Unlike my grandma, I guess, and my mom, I can murder the English language, so to speak. So anyway, Yesterday Pops by Wailana. At only 100 calories per bag, these popped, not fried or baked, pops offer all the flavors of typical chips with a fraction of the fat. Gluten-free, non-GMO, and vegan. So that's pretty good. And then next. This is what my boyfriend was ogling. And I had to take it and we're like, no, this is mine. You don't like blueberries anyway. Velvet Truffle by Alter Ego. Made with pure Peruvian chocolate, this sweet little treat is 99.97% organic, 81% fair trade certified ingredients, and 100% to die for. Non-GMO, gluten-free, and organic. And then these are the other things he was ogling. In-shell almonds by Boba. Move over. Pistachios in-shell almonds are taking over your game. Crunchy, fun, and full of protein. Looks like someone got a makeover for 2015. Of course, these are gluten-free and vegan. So, you know. Ooh, and you know what else they said? Coupons. So, in every box, you do get a certain amount off. And, you know. And like this, ooh, I can get 20% off any one of those Cafe Brit Gourmet products. So that's that. And then Urban Remedy, ooh, $15 gift card. I think I would use this, but the thing is, I'd have to go online because as far as I know, I can't find it in my area. I probably could, but I don't know. And then let's see, 25% off any Big Slice product. It's got the 25% off orders. You can do, let's see here, grandmahunters.com, promo code LoveBigSlice. So that's pretty good. And then $5 off Stash Tea. Do I got a coupon or is this just info? I think this is just info. So still, that's pretty good. And then $40 off HelloFresh. Now who was I just watching that did this? I think it was Jenny from Candy Mama. Or Candy Mommy. Yeah. So, I will definitely check this out. I will definitely I think I said definitely use these. So, anyway, let's get on to the tasting. Well, everything except for the tea, of course. And I'm shifting around like a maroon. First, I'm going to try these Casava Pops. And they're in flavor sea salt. Why not? I think she has a channel, yoga channel on PBS. Actually, I have checked that out before. And to be honest with you, it's pretty, you know, it's on the up and up. I need to use my scissors. So anyway, let's give this a try. See here. The other reason I love LoveWithFood boxes is because like this you get a chance to taste things you wouldn't normally try, you know. So, smell pretty good. Oh my, those are delicious. He's gonna want one. So, let's try these cocoa nips. That was good. That was too good. Uh-oh. Just ripped the bag open. Oh wow. That's what that looks like. I got a thing with smelling my food. I don't know why. Oh my god. Those are good. Now I'm on to the somersault. I don't know. And they also, if I forget, LoveWithFood does have a YouTube channel, and if I can find it, I will link it below. Ooh. Smell pretty good. These are salty pepper. Them are good. Now on the almonds. Should grab something to drink. Too late now. Woo! Woo! They rubbed it everywhere. It's spilled in the box. Oh my god, I'm a mess. How can you... Easiest solution ever. I love almonds. If I was to eat, guess that's not getting anywhere. Velvet. Now I'm gonna try that Ultra Eco Velvet Truffle. I really should have brought something to drink with me. This is so good. Oh my god. It's a party in my mouth. That's all I can say. It's like silky. Dang, that is good. That is good. Now I'm going to try the Luna minis, and this is also gluten free, but it also only has 90 calories, and it's 70% organic. So I'll try a bite of this. Oh, look at that. What does this remind me of? Oh, chocolate macaroon. Yes. Yes. Exactly like a macaroon. I love them. I will try this tea. If I don't try this tea later, I'll probably pass on to someone else. But, you know, I will more likely try that. Guess what? It's time to try. I'm such a nerd. Let's see here. Oh my. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I should brought a spoon. Oh, well, that's okay. Dang, that's good. So there you go. I'd show you it, but it's a mess now. I don't know how that happened. So anyway, aside from me eating it, I love this. This is delicious, and I encourage you to go check them out. And link will be below, but just, this is delicious. I love, this is one of my favorite boxes. And then next one I might try is what is it? An Earth box or something. I'm not 100% sure, but well, it's like $9 a month for that one. But anyway, I digress. Sorry this video is long and I kind of had to cut it in between, but you know, it is what it is. Questions, comments, concerns, find me in all sorts of social media. Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Google+, Facebook, and here, and Snapchat. Questions, comments, besides that, link below. Like this video if you want me to do more unboxings, and also in comments below, let me know if you want me to do, oh, my necklace is on backwards, day in the life or something like that, because, you know, I kind of actually do love doing YouTube. It's fun, it's a good outlet, and also, you know, I don't want, like, even if I got so many subscribers I could get paid, no. And after thinking about it, it's like, I love this. This is fun. I can vent without getting in so much trouble. And anyway, you know, and I get to make some new friends. Yeah, so anyway, let's see here. Like I said, anything like this, like this video, and since you're here and you stayed this long, you want to be super, want to be awesome, subscribe and be an honorary YouTuber. Hit that subscribe button. It makes me happy. And yeah, and I hope you guys are having a good day. It's kind of gloomy here. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said, if you want to be excuse me. If you want to be super, subscribe to me an honorary YouTuber. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.